Since its introduction, YouTube Shorts has become one of the most popular features on the YouTube platform. According to reports, over 30 billion YouTube Short views are recorded daily, while 1.5 billion users are also recorded every month. With such incredible numbers coupled with the introduction of the monetization features, it is fair to say that YouTube Shorts in 2023 will be one of the biggest ways to make money. Join us in this video as we talk you through how to make money through YouTube Shorts in 2023. What are YouTube Shorts? Google's YouTube platform has been one of the most popular video-based apps around the globe for several years. But over time, there came a time where users were drawn towards short videos instead of the long videos usually produced. Therefore, after TikTok launched out with great success with its platform, YouTube followed suit. In September 2002, the company announced that it was introducing the Shorts feature, which allowed users to watch short-form videos. Since then, it has become one of the most popular. According to the company, Shorts are an easier way to discover short videos on the platform. Majority of such videos are within 1 minute and in a vertical dimension. This dimension allows users to enjoy content with a significant and immersive size. In addition, users can easily scroll downwards or upwards to enjoy their favorite videos. While this is a fan way for viewers to enjoy content, YouTube appreciates the creators of such videos and finds ways to reward their efforts. In the early stages of the experiment, YouTube did not roll out a fixed monetization plan. Instead, they introduced a YouTube Shorts fund of about $100 million to be shared among creators who earned massive views. Through this fund, creators could earn as high as $100,000 every month. Speaking of earnings, we will later talk about the percentage of earnings you will receive from the Shorts once you sign. As you embark on your money-making journey, make sure to have this channel as a companion by subscribing. There are useful tips on how to make a successful money-making machine. How will monetization work? As pointed out earlier, YouTube will be introducing a new monetization plan that will have a long-term focus than the Shorts fund. A couple of months ago, the company announced that revenue sharing for Shorts ad will begin on February 1st, 2023, for those who sign the appropriate agreements beforehand. We will later talk about exactly how you can achieve the monetization milestone. But before that, let's talk about how the monetization will work. Creators who get signed up on the monetization scheme will enjoy similar benefits as those on the company's main platform. Content creators on YouTube are paid based on the number of views they attract, as well as the click of ads. They then earn 55% of the total revenue, but the case will be a bit different with the Shorts. Starting from February, creators of short-form videos will receive 45% of revenue shares acquired through the views of their videos. At this point, you might be wondering whether this is fair. To some extent, it is fair based on the fact that content creators on the main platform spend a considerable number of time working on their videos as compared to those who work on Shorts. But if you're interested in raking in revenue from both sides, Cash Cow Makers can help you build a faceless YouTube channel too. You can find their link in the description below. Now let's continue. How to achieve monetization status. Having spoken about how monetization will work on YouTube Shorts, it is time to understand how you can get signed up for monetization. Basically, there are two major ways that you can achieve the monetization status. Firstly, you would have to gain 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel, as well as 4,000 watch hours on your videos. Alternatively, creators can opt to create Shorts only and aim to get the same 1,000 subscribers. But this time, YouTube expects that you gain 10 million valid views on Shorts. The company also adds that, keep in mind that any public watch hours from Shorts views in the Shorts feed won't count towards the 4,000 public watch hours threshold. The implication here is that gaining status through the Shorts will need more than 4,000 watch hours. Let's do a simple math to illustrate this. Let's say you are able to gain an average of 5-second views on all Shorts. Multiply that by 10 million views, and you will be getting 50 million seconds. A further breakdown will indicate that you will gain 833,333 minutes. Most importantly, you will need 13,888 hours of watch hours if your Shorts average 5 seconds per session. While that appears to be a significant number, it is important to note that if your average time increases, the watch hours will significantly decrease. Besides, due to the simplified nature of Shorts, they are easily discovered, which means that you could get several views within the shortest possible time. Shorts can be found on the YouTube homepage, in notifications, or even through the Shorts button. Another key thing to note is that the aforementioned requirements are for creators who do not have any monetization status yet. Therefore, creators who are already a part of YouTuber's partner program will be eligible. Apart from using YouTube Shorts to make money, there are a number of ways you could employ. In our next video, we show you 5 top ways you can make money in 2023. Make sure to check that out as well. Happy money hunting!